good morning to you. How do you do? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
It is calendar time. Y'all ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
The month is what?
October.
The month is October. So what you gonna do to your October? Find your pumpkin and circle your October.
It's not working.
Circle your pumpkin. Today's date is what? Can somebody tell me what today's date is? October what? What is 20? Can anybody tell me what is 20? 20. So today is October the 20th. Do y'all see the 20?
Oh, right there.
20. The camera is on. Your mommy can see you on the camera. The camera is on. Your mommy can see you. The year is what? 2020. So, can you circle 2020 on your calendar? 2020.
That's not funny. That's not funny.
Come on, Kevin. Kevin, come on, circle your 2020. What's going on with you?
That's not funny.
The number 20 is even. E-V-E-N.
That's not funny.
You see the recorder is watching you? You know your mommy's watching you? Are you supposed to be talking right now? What you supposed to be doing? Okay, well get up and let's do your calendar. Autumn, are you supposed to be laughing at your classmate right now? What you supposed to be doing, Autumn? What you supposed to be doing? Let your mama see you doing your calendar. Kennedy, did you do your 2020? Kevin, we waiting on you, but we're going to the next slide. Adrian, your nanny's watching you on the camera. You doing your handwriting?
My mommy and my camera.
Your mom is watching you on the camera, Kyrie. So you're doing your calendar? Let's go to the next slide. What is the weather? Can somebody tell me what the weather is? Is it storming outside? Is it sunny outside? Is it fall outside? Is it winter outside? Is it partly sky? What is the weather?
I got it.
What is the weather? Good. Circle your sign. Kennedy turn. What is the weather? What is the weather, Kennedy? Circle it. What was the weather, Kyrie?
I know what.
Okay, circle sunny.
Sunny.
S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. What is the season?
Summer.
Let's try again. Fall. Can y'all circle the fall? F-A-L-L. F-A-L-L. Kennedy, you circle the F-A-L-L for fall? Let's go to the next slide.
What
How is the weather? Is the weather cool?
No, it's hot.
No. Is it cold?
Yes, cold. Yes, cool.
Is it warm?
Cool.
Or is it hot?
It's cool.
It's cool?
Yes. Yes, cool. I said it.
Okay, did you circle cool? Did you circle cool?
Sure.
Can you circle the cool, Kennedy? Cool. Autumn, you circle cool?
I said cool.
What could we wear today? Kyrie, what can we wear today?
Shirt.
Shirts?
I said jacket.
Kevin, what can we wear today?
I wear jacket. I wear sweater.
Kyrie, wait, Kyrie. Kevin, what can you wear today?
I wear shorts.
You want to wear what?
I wear shorts too.
Somebody already picked shirt. Can you pick something else? We have jackets, sweaters, shorts, and pants.
I got 50.
What's one, Autumn?
I got
Shorts.
52.
Okay, Autumn says shorts. What about you, Kennedy? What you say?
Pants.
Pants. All right, Kevin, what about you? What you wearing? What else can you wear? A jacket or a sweater? A jacket?
Oh, something was there. Sweater. I wear.
Yesterday was what, guys? What was yesterday?
Monday.
Monday. Everybody circle Monday. Did you circle Monday? Did you do Monday?
Today.
Circle your Monday. Today is what? What is today? Today is Tuesday. Who circled in Tuesday? Where's your Tuesday? Kenny, where's your Tuesday? Tomorrow is what? Wednesday. Okay. Who circled in Wednesday?
It's out here.
Where's your Tuesday, Autumn?
It's
Where's your Wednesday, Autumn? Kennedy? Where's your Tuesday? Circle your Monday, your Tuesday, and your Wednesday. We on the calendar. Which one? Circle it. How many days of kindergarten been in school? How many days you been in school, Kevin? No. 42. Kyrie, how many days you been in school?
13.
47. Can you write a 4 and a 7? Oh, look, y'all look at Kyrie, 47. Did you write your 47? Write your 47. Did you write your 42? How many classmates do we have? 11. Where's your Monday? Where's your Tuesday? Where's your Wednesday? How many days you been in school? And the number was even. How you spell even? E-V-E-N. E-N, even. And the basic tens, how many tens do we have? 1, 2. So today is the 20th. So 10 plus 10 is what? Y'all have it?
Yes.
All right. Thank y'all.